And today, am I audible? Yeah, today I'm going to present the study in France. You will come to know that many good things about the France. Why we need to study in France. I'm starting my presentation. Most of the things I covered in my PPTs. If anything, if you have any query, you can ask me in my chat box. I will definitely give you respond. Please give me your mail ID also so that I can respond you through mail. France. We are at IRC, Parul University in BBA building ground floor. You can anytime contact me on 9824251112. Today's topic is study in France. Higher study opportunity with guaranteed scholarship, pathway programs what we are offering and many students benefit. This is few points about the France. Why France? And what exactly the France is. Official name is French Republic. The capital of France is Paris. Language mainly French. Currency euro. Population is only 7 crore approximately. The area 6,43,801 square meter. Largest country in European Union and third largest country in Europe. Most beautiful country in the world is France, leader of tourism and fashion hub. Sharing borders, France is sharing borders with Spain, Switzerland, Germany, Italy, and Belgium. Geopolitical challenges. Population is aging, declining workforce, birth rate less than 2.1%, life expectancy is 80 years. So many uh, people are dependent on pension. From the age of 63 years, citizens can apply for pension. Culture difference, they believe in liberty. France trying to absorb the immigrants from Syria and Middle East. This is a little bit knowledge about the France so that you will have an idea what France is exactly. Inventions and achievements of France. Famous inventions are digital calculator, parachute, hot air balloon, and hair dryers. Popular brands, you can see that all the good brands. Invention and achievements of France. First phase transplant in France in 2015, first heart transplant in 2013, maximum Nobel Prize in Literature total 15, French Navy is the biggest force, Statue of Liberty in USA is gifted by France. Isn't it interesting? France ruled many countries. Total 26 countries are celebrating independence from France and currently €1 equals to 85 INR. Economy of France. Mainly France is depend on machinery, chemical, automobile, aircraft, electronics, textile, food processing and tourism. India and France relations. It is very interesting to know that we have a strategic partnership with France in 1998. France was the first country with which India entered into an agreement on nuclear energy. France has consistently supported India's permanent membership of UNSC, United Nations Security Council. France has a cooperation with India in Indian Ocean, Indian Pacific region. Many fighter aircraft we bought from France, like Mirage 2000, Tufan, and currently Rafale. Why France is one of the best option for study. Now these are the points why students choose to go for the France. Visa laws and country law are Indian student friendly. Very competitive tuition fees as compared to US, as compared to UK. You will find that France is like having good fees that can be afforded by many students. Without IELTS, candidate is eligible to apply for study. This is also a very important point for France, especially to our Indian students. 20 hours a week work permit during the studies, 2 years of post-study work visa, 5 years circulation visa, work visa extension is unlimited and thus PR chances are very high. Provides a great lifestyle experience in one of the best multicultural environment. Study in English as well as learn French also. France is a global capital of fashion, arts, cinema, music, culture, and food, aircraft, textile, and electronics. You can see that the attraction in France. Main reasons to choose France. Affordable education, as I said earlier also, as compared to UK, USA, France is more affordable to all the students. Tuition fees and other expenses are far lesser than other countries. Tuition fees ranging from 15,000 euros to 35,000 euros. Student friendly. Student can apply for scholarships, financial support, housing aid. CAF benefit is 70% covered by government. It is ranging from 30% to 70%. Depends on the students, depends on the city. Health insurance. This is very interesting part. Schengen visa. It means that students can explore all other European countries like Spain, Italy, Switzerland, Belgium, Denmark, Netherlands, and Iceland. Main reasons to choose France. These are the points where you will attract why you need to choose chance France for the studies. No need for block account. Unlike other countries, students don't need to open GIC or block account. So that amount of money you need not have to manage for France. France is good for business and management studies like MBA, MIM, MSc, business marketing, and all management courses. Paris in France is a fashion hub and now coming up as a best destination for the automobile business and hotel industries. Accreditations. Three types of there. EQUIS, European Quality Improvement System. AACSB, Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business. And AMBA, Association of MBAs. Very few colleges and very few universities are having these three accreditations. Total 89 universities in the world having all above three accreditations. Out of 89, 65% are in France. This is the very attractive points in France. Multicultural society. More than 300,000 students are selecting France to study. Now, students are choosing France. Getting work visa is easy. Converting student visa in work visa is simple process and validity is up to 4 years for covering your cost and for to apply for the permanent visa. Things to keep in mind before selecting. Yes, we can say that every country has pros and cons, and these are the things you have to keep in mind before selecting. You may find language barrier over there. Advisable to go with the knowledge of French language. Finding job is challenging because of language mostly. Expensive. In 2020, Paris named the fifth most expensive city in the world to live in, not in fees. Fees are definitely affordable, but Paris particular is little bit costly. Bit inconvenient. Why? Because of language barrier. Especially opportunities are not appreciable. If you know French language, you have many opportunity. But if you do not know French language, then you may find little bit difficult to survive. We have three partners in France. SGLEC, School of Engineering, Rennes School of Business, and Collège de Paris. This is about the SGLEC College. Rouen, place is Rouen. Normandy, France. These are the name of the place where exactly this college located. This college ranked 19th of all best higher education engineering school. Ranked in top 10 schools preferred by recruiters. And ranked 13th among postgraduate engineering schools. Good record of future employment because 96% of all students found employment in less than 4 months after graduating. Have 80 academic partnership in 42 countries, which offers numerous opportunity for staying abroad. 25% of your courses are dedicated to management, language, entrepreneurship, 55% to scientific and technological course in all fields of intelligent and connected system. SGLEC. 407 academic and administrative people, including 335 teaching staff, 62 are permanent teachers, and 45 visiting professors from partner universities abroad. You can see that 83 experts from the industries, 145 professors from universities or independent language teachers are there, and 72 administrative people are there in SGLEC. 5 departments: information technology, electronics and telecommunication, electrical engineer and energy, embedded system and instrumentations, humanities, language and management. These are the highlights of SGLEC College. Why SGLEC? Reasons to choose SGLEC. A school created more than 110 years ago in 1901, one of the oldest schools, having a long experience in higher education. Accreditations of the French Board of Engineering Degree, CTI, for its engineering degree. Accreditation by the French Ministry of Higher Education and Research of its master degree. Accreditations by the French Conference of Top Management and Engineering School for its MSc diplomas. These are the attraction points of SGLEC. You can see that why it is 19th number in ranking. School supported by the Chambers of Commerce and Industry of Rouen and managed as a non-profit association by an administration council, including representatives of the alumni associations, local public bodies, other companies, France Telecom, Air Systems, higher educations, and many things. You can see here. The school ranked among the best schools of engineering in France, having a 5 years engineering program, ranking 2014 of L'Étudiant and Express. Again, there are a number of reasons you can see that why to choose SGLEC College in France. More than 35% of international students in the program of SGLEC. A research institute for embedded electronic systems. RFI universities partnerships in 40 different countries. A network of 3,000 corporate partners. Around 51% of graduates found a job before finishing their studies, and 95% of all students found a job in less than 6 months. 53% of them found the job in the area of Paris and 10% abroad. These are the statistics. We can see that a campus of 12,000 square meter, which has received the prize Augusta Parrot for its nice architecture. An extra surface of 5,000 square meter dedicated to research, innovation, and transfers of technology was opened in 2012. These are the really very attractive points for the SGLEC. Eligibility required for admissions, usually for other students, science, engineering, pre-medical, mathematics, technical, and scientific. Students outside the PU require TOEFL 83, IELTS 6, PTE 62, GRE 301, and GMAT 540. But the eligibility required for pathway program through Parul University. Student pursuing BTech with CS, IT, CSE, Triple E Engineering, Electrical Engineering at PU are eligible for the pathway program in SHLA. IELTS and French language criteria is waived off for PU students. It's a very good news for all the PU students and encouraging point for the Indian student especially. Course we offered at SHLEC is Masters with specialization in Electronic Embedded System, Information System with Artificial Intelligence, Big Data and Cloud Computing. Benefit of the program applied through PU. Again, what are the benefits if you apply through Pathway program with Parul University with IRC? You will get 2500 euros scholarship in MTech fees for PU students. 100% teaching in English medium. French language not required for admission. Saving of 1 academic year. Saving of 6 month processing time. Paid internship you will get over there as a Parul University student. 2 years step back visa, 5 years circulation visa, and Shenzhen visa. Simplified application process will all done by the IRC, Parul University. Now we've come with Rennes School of Business, our second partner in France. This is about the Rennes School. Location Rennes, Brittany, France. Program we offer MSc and MIM. Rennes recognized today among the 2% of the best business school across the planet. Across the planet. Please note down. Triple accreditations, EQUIS, AACSB, and AMBA. Total only 89 universities in the world having all three accreditations. Out of 89, 65% are in France. And Rennes School of Business is one of them. Student, I just wanted to highlight here the IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Hyderabad is also not having these all three accreditations. But Rennes Schools is having these. Reasons to choose Rennes School of Business. Triple Crown accreditation, as I said earlier said in my last slide. Rank 55th in Financial Times. Ranking of Masters in Management. Program taught entirely in English. euros, approximately 3 lakhs rupees Indian, 3 lakhs Indian rupees. Save 6 months of processing time because you will get directly admission. 5 years circulation visa after graduations. 2 years stay-back visa after masters. Simplified admission applications and visa process because we all do from our end, from IRC. That will be easy for all the student. No IELTS or French language required for admission and visa. 30% reimbursement every month on rent that I already told you about the CAF benefit from the government from FAST international students. Courses PU offered and eligibility. Any graduate from Parul University can apply for these courses. IELTS and French language criteria is waived off for PU student. Courses offered by PU is 2 years of extensive program in which students will receive 2 degrees, Masters in Management and MSc courses. And we are offering 15 different specializations available. Contact us. Please mail us. I will tell you which other specialization courses you can join with Renaissance School. Now the third our partner is Collège de Paris. Accreditations and certifications. You can Google all these things. These all are really very prestigious in especially education field. About Collège de Paris, France. The Collège de Paris, founded in 1530, is a higher education and research university established in Paris, France. Collège de Paris highly trained teams will build a course structure which is best suited for each participant and that will assure that the students access to the professional world. They believe in a practical education. It is ranked in top most 50 universities in Paris for fashion and luxury goods management. Employment rate is high in Paris because Paris is a fashion hub. 10,000 students per year, including 25% foreign students. More than 300 speakers per year and many permanent staffs are there in Collège de Paris. Why Collège de Paris? International environment, individualized small size classes, multicultural learning experience, program adapted to needs of professionals, flexible programs on ground or online, courses delivered by multilingual faculty with professional background. This is very important, right? The faculty who will teach you, they will know English as well as French, both the languages, so that they can handle the questions of all the students and they can deliver the lectures accordingly. All the program leads to a globally recognized certifications. The member school of the Collège de Paris are all recognized in their specialized domains and guarantee that graduates will achieve insertions on world job market. No school will give this type of guarantee. Program offered and eligibility for Collège de Paris. Eligibility. Any graduates from Parul University can apply for these courses. Relaxation for PU students. IELTS and French language criteria is waived off for PU students. Courses offered: MS Food and Beverages Management 1 year, MS Fashion and Luxury Goods Management 1 year. Again, the benefits of the program apply through Parul University in Collège de Paris. Training 100% in English. Degree certificates from Collège de Paris. Student allowed to work 20 hours a week during studies. 2-month guaranteed paid internship. French language benefits of 35,000 INR if A2 level French certified. CAF benefit of 30% refund on accommodation of expenses. These are the students who got the visa for France in these colleges where we have pathway programs. All the best to all the students who are planning to join. Now I would like to attend students' query. If anyone has, you can write me the queries, questions on chat box. I will try to respond. Just let me check whether anything. Yeah, there is a question from Shubh Singh. Is there any opportunity for postdoctoral research program? I would like to say to Shubh Singh, currently we are not offering any such courses for the postdoctoral research program, but you definitely contact us. We will talk for you especially to our all the like partner universities in France. If they have anything, we will definitely would like to do your process from IRC. Is there any course for MTech? Yes, you contact us. I'm writing my number here. I will guide you how you can apply and go with the MTech courses. We have master's degrees because I have already shown you MBA, definitely MBA. In three colleges, one is for the engineering, one is for the management, another is for the fashion and hotel industries. You will definitely be able to, Vinay Kapola, sorry, you will definitely go with MBA programs in our pathway, France. You contact me on my number. My name is Rachna Patel. You can contact me on 98242 personally. You can anytime contact me. I will give you all the details. And I would like to Vinay, Dheer, and Shubh if they will be able to give your contact number. My colleague will take your number and give it to me, and I will definitely call you for your queries and for your process. I request to Shubh, Dheer, and Vinay, please give your contact details with mail ID. Any other questions? Student? Okay. Thank you, Dheer Chauhan. I received your contact number. I received your contact number. I will definitely contact you. And I request to other also to
Ma'am,
give the yes, yes.
ma'am, which college was of engineering?
Engineering, I have already shown you.
Actually,
No,
ma'am,
three colleges
I
are
have
there.
joined late, so I missed it.
Sorry?
Actually, ma'am, I have joined late, so I missed it.
Okay, you joined late little bit.
Yes.
Okay, so Dheer, may I have your, yeah, I have your contact number. I will send you all the details on WhatsApp very soon after finishing this webinar. Which college is, what is your question exactly? Which college is for?
Actually, ma'am, I'm interested in doing MTech.
Amtech. Yeah, you have
Yes.
told that. Definitely, I will share with you on your WhatsApp number, and you can anytime contact me also. We have three colleges. One is for the management, one is for the engineering, and one is for the fashion and hotel industries. You will get definitely for the MTech. If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want it for the computer engineering or data science or artificial intelligence, something like that.
No, actually, ma'am, my field was mechanical engineering, so I was looking just like somewhat quality or automobile or
Okay.
manufacturing sector.
Okay, fine. I will check whatever is available to with us. We will share with you. Then we will discuss about that. What can be like process? How can be process for here? Otherwise, we can request also to the college.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Any other? Hello. Sherry ma'am will also give you some highlight. about our pathway programs. Sherry ma'am, if you are there, please give some tips and guides to the students.
Yes, ma'am. Rachna ma'am has already shared the details regarding the pathway opportunities that we have. So why the basic difference with the pathway programs and the normal study abroad is like pathways generally we do with our partner universities. Okay, saying that there are a lot of benefits that students can gain out of it. Okay, like our students are getting waived off on IELTS and French language requirement. Our students are getting direct scholarships. So approximately you have seen like 2,700, 3,000 euros the students are getting scholarship on their tuition fees. So these are the benefits a student being a PU student you can take if you are being a part of the pathway programs. But in case like if you're not getting your required course which is there at our partner universities, still you do not have to worry, because we can definitely get you admissions to the French colleges and universities where your course is available, right? So both the options are there for PU students. And let me tell you here, right now, currently, there is always a trend of Canada going on. Now UK trend is coming up, and the next, the country that is in high demand for the students is going to be France. So if you have not thought about France, then this is the right time. Please think of France as one of the options for your higher studies, because first is the quality of education. Second, you are going to get a Schengen visa. Okay. Schengen visa, as madam explained, is a direct entry to 27 European countries. So you do not have to take separate visa if you want to travel to Germany or Switzerland or any other country. So these 27 countries together make Schengen countries. In France is also one of the Schengen countries. So you can travel to any of these 27 countries. Plus, you get a flexibility. Suppose you have a there and you are now looking forward to a job. So it is not necessary that you have to work in France. You get an option to work in any of these 27 Schengen countries, right? So this is a very big advantage if you are going to study in France. Saying that, also as madam has mentioned, the quality of education, many of the top ranked universities and colleges are located in France. So France is next the growing a place where students are looking forward for their higher studies. So take this opportunity, and if you have any doubts or any concern or want to have more information, please get in touch with IRC. We will be helping you out with all your concerns. Okay, so if any student is having any doubt still, please put it down in the comment section and the Facebook live page also. We are going live right now. So if you have still any doubts, you can put it down in the Facebook page as well. I guess I have covered, we have few points, Rachna ma'am here. Anything else, ma'am, we are missing out? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you very much, ma'am. Your expertise help us a lot. Uh, Basically, students, your process will be done by Sherry ma'am. Sherry ma'am is doing all this process, so you can anytime contact to us. We will definitely help you in any of your courses. Any other questions? I would like to hear some queries and questions so that we can help you, because such type of webinars rarely we arrange for such countries. Usually Canada, USA,
Yeah.
UK is
Vatsal sir, can you please look up for if there is any questions in the Facebook section also?
yeah.
No question. No other questions.
This is request to Vatsal sir. Please write down all the phone numbers and contact detail of the students so that we can contact them later for their queries.
Yeah, here one more point I would like to add on, students. Like, so if you're planning to move abroad to any country, so right now today we are giving more detailed information about France. So as Madam has mentioned in her presentation, France is a country where you should have a knowledge of French language. Okay, because if you are going there, and in France, if you're going there as a student, you are officially permitted to work 20 hours a week, okay, during your normal days, and during holidays or in vacations you can work as a full-time employee. Okay, so if you want to go there, find out a part-time job, knowledge of the local language, that is knowledge of French language, is very important and very essential. So though if you're going through a pathway program, the French language is not necessary, but still you have, before you go to France, you should have a basic knowledge, a basic understanding of French language, so that you can easily communicate and get the part-time jobs and internships, right? So all these IELTS classes, French classes, all these facilities are available here at IRC. So you can contact us, you can get in touch with us. We have already completed few batches. So our next batch is about to begin. So you can get in touch with us, and you can plan accordingly, and you can start with your classes. So by that time we are reaching the application stage, you are ready with your IELTS scorecard and also ready with your French language, right? So this will help us save a lot of time when it comes to applications.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Actually, we are waiting for the questions so that we can handle. Because all the time, if we will present with PPTs, some student or the parent may not ask what exactly in their mind and what are the queries. So it is our request to the students or the person who join